One of the viewers asked me if I can make a video tutorial on how I make my bows, so I decided to make a quick video to show you how you can make a perfect and cute bow for your cards. What I've done in previous video, I just grab the piece of ribbon, cut the piece of ribbon, and I just put it here in my hand like this, wrap it around two of my fingers, and then slide it through here. And like this, then bring it up, wrap it again, and from the back side, and here I just slide it through the loop I made. That's it. And before you just anything, because this I want to this side be the front, so I just make sure everything looks kind of neat here. Remove the bow, and even I can twist this ribbon and make it look nicer. And if you need to adjust your bow, you can simply, by pulling this side, you can make this smaller. Oh, sorry, you need to do this and this. You can adjust your bow size. And after you're happy with your bow, you can tie it up by pulling this side, and you have your perfect bow. So we can cut this and this side. The other ways that you can make your bow is like using a simple tool like this comb. I'm not sure, I think I bought a package of these combs from, I think, dollar store, I'm not sure, or Walmart. So I can use this thing to make a bow, and I made this small bow actually with this comb, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to make a bigger one. So let's cut a piece of ribbon, and then you just simply, like how I did with my finger, I wrap it around the comb, slide it through in the middle like this. Sorry, my fingers on the way, but I can show you now. Like this, you can slide it, bring it back, and slide it through the same space again, and then from the back side, it's like this. You're going to, you see the loose ribbon is from this side, so I go from this side inside the loop. This way my ribbon goes to the other side. For this one, I think I go with the front side because I made oh no, yeah, no, I go with the same side. So after you remove it, you can adjust your ribbon, and honestly I prefer to twist this side while I'm and that's it. You have your perfect bow. The other way you can invent it is like this. Actually, I bought a pack of these things and I don't know what they've been used for, but I've got a pack of this I think from Hobby Lobby, and the plan I had was to stick all of these in a piece of on a piece of wood or together like this, and then with this dowel you can make the distance you need for how long what you want to your bow be. You can put them there and then, because I wanted to I haven't done that, so because I wanted to show you how you can work with this, I just stuck two of these on the piece of paper, and by simply and this is not my ribbon scissor, but it's sharp so it works. Let me use my ribbon scissor. Cut a piece of paper, then I'm going to put these two here as a weight because it's only a cardstock here, and then we simply do that again, wrap around, put inside, loop, wrap around the middle, go on the back, and at this point basically do the same thing. I put it through the loop, and before I can adjust this, and when I bring it out, I can make it looks nicer. It's a mess here. So you have again another nice bow. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out you.